Hi, this is Bob Johnson Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be replacing the barcode scanner in your Panasonic Toughpad FZ-M1. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. There's a little latch here to remove the battery. Now there will be 6 screws that need to be removed to access the barcode scanner. Once they're all moved, you can pull the cover off. That'll expose the barcode reader. Now you want to carefully detach the cable. And then remove the 4 screws holding it down. Once those 4 are removed, you can pull it out, and now you can replace. Since it's just an example, I'll put that right back in. You just want to make sure to screw the 4 screws down and reattach that ribbon cable. And that's it. You want to reattach the back cover along with those 6 screws. The battery. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.